Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Farzana and Assalamualaikum. Hope you guys are doing really well. So for today's video, I'll be sharing to you guys some of the information that is happening in this year's Polytechnic Open House. So I have consolidated all the 5 Polytechnic Institutes open house programs, and I'm going to share with you guys at the same time. And this video will be focusing more towards PFP. So if you guys are intending and progressing towards PFP pathway, so this video might be useful and might be handy for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and share this video with your friends. So let's go. Okay, so in conjunction of this year's 2021 open house, all the polytechnics open house will be done online. So everything will, all the talks, all the seminars will be done online via Zoom or via the platform that they have provide for parents as well as students. So the first PFP seminar that I will talk more about is in Singapore Poly. So Singapore Poly will conduct their PFP seminar on 7th of January, which is tomorrow. So do take note, and it will be from 1 PM to 2 PM via Zoom. So click the link down below and it will direct you to the PFP seminar talk, and you guys will learn more about how is the lesson going to be conducted and stuff like that. And at the same time, they do also offer different types of talks like ECG, the modules, the courses in the school. So do check it out. Plus, I would like to promote one YouTuber here in Singapore as well. He is currently a year 2 biomedical student in SP. He is doing a lot of YouTube educational content like me, but it's more towards SP itself. So this is him. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. So he is Jeremiah Tang. He is a SP student, as I mentioned earlier. So he has done a lot of content, giving guys study tips, give guys some tricks. So do check his channel out, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Support him, okay? So moving on, which is the Ngee Ann Poly, my school. So this talk will be for this admission talk for N-level students in NP. So it will be conducted on the 9th of January 2021 at 4 PM. So at the same link down below, just look at it, look at other courses as well. Other than the admission N-level talk, they do also have the courses and career talk for 1 hour. It is available for all the 3 days of the open house, and at the same time they do also have one-to-one chat with lecturers, so you guys will get to know more about what would you be learning in the 3 years in Polytechnic, year 1, year 2, year 3. And yeah, so let's move on to the next Polytechnic. Far away at the end of Singapore, we have Temasek Polytechnic, which is located at Tampines. It's very far away school for me. I will have to travel 1 hour plus to go there. So Temasek Polytechnic, they also have their very own PFP TP talk. So it is from 7 January to 9 January, 10 AM to 6 PM. So their concept is more towards e-consultation. So this will be advisable for parents to know more, or you guys are interested to know more, to talk. What are the modules? What would you be learning, especially for different types of, maybe the business school, the medical school. So link down below, guys. Okay, so do take note of these dates. I will also be mentioning at the description box, so you guys can actually look at it and put it on your calendar. So okay, so let's move on for the 4th Polytechnic. Okay, so the next Polytechnic is Nanyang Polytechnic. So I don't really get to find the specific timing and the specific date for this Polytechnic PFP talk, but they do actually provide the overview of their PFP modules and how is the student life in Nanyang Polytechnic. So if you guys actually check their website itself, if you guys manage to find it, just comment down below, maybe share it with the rest of them. So the last Polytechnic online is Republic Polytechnic. So they have their very own PFP talk, and if I'm not wrong, they actually send you out I think one brochure about their PFP talk that will be conducted on 9th of January at 2 p.m. So do check out their website and do check out the brochure that they gave you guys. And yeah, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for all of you who are watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and if you guys have still questions, just straight head away to their Instagram, and at the same time their website. So that's all from me. Goodbye. Good luck for your O-level results.